Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and English Town. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English, Elementary 27, Clothes.
What am I going to wear for this party tonight?
In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to use may, might, and maybe. But first, we will watch a short movie that takes place in a clothing store. Marilyn is looking for clothes for a special party. Her friend Diane is helping her.
What do you think of this?
I don't know. It's a little old-fashioned. What kind of party is this again?
It's a party for the opening of this new club downtown, so I want something special. Some famous people might be there.
Like who?
My friend said Tom Cruise and Jennifer Lopez might be there.
Are you serious?
Yes, they're good friends with the owner.
Wow, it sounds like it'll be a fun party. When is it?
Saturday night. It starts at 8.
Are you going with John?
Maybe. He might not have enough time. He has to go to Brazil next week. If he can't come, do you want to go with me?
Of course, maybe I'll meet Tom Cruise.
Super. What do you think about this one? Is it formal enough?
Yeah, it's nice, but it looks a little expensive.
Yeah, it is $400.
Maybe we should keep looking. I know this one store that has really stylish clothes and the prices are very reasonable.
We're going to look at how to use may and might. Let's look at an example from the movie.
Some famous people might be there.
Some famous people might be there. We can also say, some famous people may be there. We use may or might when we talk about something which is possible. We don't really know if it will happen. Let's see some more examples. I may go to the dentist today. My brother might come to my house later. They might visit France next year. Did you notice that the verb after may or might is the infinitive? You don't change anything. We can also use maybe as an answer to a question when you don't know the answer for sure. Are you going to the party tonight? Maybe. Now it's your turn. Answer the question using might or may. What are you going to wear tonight? I may wear my red dress. Or you could say, I might wear my red dress. Let's do another one. Where is she going on vacation? She might go to Egypt, or she may go to Egypt. And can you think of an answer to this question? Do you want to go out tonight? We can say maybe when we're not sure. So today, you've had a look at using may, might, and maybe in conversation. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. See you again soon.
I have nothing to wear.